Altar, altar. In this video, I will go through the difference between these two words. Notice that they have the same pronunciation, but the meanings are different. Alter is a verb. It means to change something or to make something different. For example, I had to alter my diet to lose weight. Can we alter the time of the meeting? Altar. Altar is a noun. It refers to an elongated table or stand that's usually found in religious buildings such as a temple or a church. For example, the religious leader stood behind the altar to give a talk. Samuel cleans the altar every week.